In this Blender tutorial, I will show you how to join multiple objects together without their UV maps being messed up. So I have this tree stump photo scan that I created, and then I also created these rock 3D models, and I want to join them together. So I'm going to select the rocks, hold down the shift key and select the tree stump, and then I can press Ctrl J and that'll join them together. But when I do this, you can see that the UV maps of the rocks got messed up. And I can do this the opposite way by first selecting the tree stump and then selecting the rocks last, and I can press Ctrl J, and you can see when I do this, the tree stump UV map got messed up. If I tab into edit mode, you can see here is the UV map for the tree stump photo scan, and then if I select the rocks, you can see here is the UV map for the rocks. But when I join the objects together, the UV map is being messed up on one of the objects. And why this is happening is because the UV maps have different names. So if I just select the tree stump, I can go right over here to the object data properties, and you can see right here on the UV maps, this is renamed UV map photo scan tree, whereas the rocks UV map is named UV map rocks. So I just need to rename these to the same name. So I'm going to rename this to UV map nature, and then I'm going to select the entire name. I'm going to press Ctrl C to copy, then I can click on the other object, double click on this to rename it, and I can press Ctrl V to paste it. So now if I click between these, they have the same name. So I can now select both of the objects, and then I can press Ctrl J, and they're going to be joined together into one object, and you can see the textures look good, there isn't any stretching, and the UV map isn't messed up. And if I press the tab key to go into edit mode, you can see both UV maps are within the object. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.